In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use playbooks in HubSpot. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set everything up so you can streamline your sales strategies and ensure that your team has access to all the necessary tools during important calls or meetings. To get started, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. Now find the top navigation bar and hover over the Sales section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on Playbooks. This feature is an incredibly powerful tool that enables you to create and organize detailed sales strategies directly within your CRM. Next, you'll see an option to Create Playbook. Click on this button and you'll be given two choices. You can either choose from a variety of templates provided by HubSpot, or if you prefer to tailor your playbook specifically to your business needs, you can start from scratch. Selecting a template might be a great choice if you're looking for a bit of inspiration or a foundation to build upon. Once you've selected your starting point, it's time to add content to your playbook. Think of it as your go-to resource for sales calls or meetings. Consider including call scripts that will help guide conversations with potential clients or customers. Be sure to also include objection handling techniques, which can be invaluable in overcoming any concerns or hesitations that may arise during discussions. Additionally, integrate best practices that your team should adhere to, ensuring consistency and quality across all interactions. To maintain a neat and organized system, categorize each of your playbooks. Doing so will ensure you and your team can easily access the right playbook when needed without wading through unnecessary content. Think about how your team engages with clients and structure your categories according to those pathways. It's a small step that will make a big difference in how efficiently your team operates. Finally, remember that the playbooks are created to be used. During calls or meetings, have these playbooks open and refer to them as needed to keep your sales pitch on track and comprehensive. Furthermore, HubSpot allows you to track the usage of these playbooks directly within the CRM. This tracking feature can provide valuable insights into how often they're used and potentially highlight any adjustments or improvements that could be made to enhance their effectiveness. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll not only have handy playbooks at your disposal in HubSpot, but you'll also empower your team with structured guidance for every client interaction. Thank you for watching, and good luck implementing these strategies into your sales processes.